Hi, and welcome to this quick tutorial for the Angelina College Scholarships application process. Angelina College offers over 200 scholarships, and our general application will match you up with scholarships that you qualify for automatically. To get started, go to our website at angelina.edu. Once there, the link to our scholarships page is under the Admissions tab. Once you've reached the scholarships page, it's recommended that you go to the Frequently Asked Questions section of the website. This section provides answers to questions about completing the scholarship applications and some things to expect afterwards, like how to check the status of your completed applications. Once you've familiarized yourself with those questions and answers, you can come back to this site and click on Apply Today to get to the scholarship application. Many of our scholarship applications require information from your completed free application for federal student aid, or FAFSA. If you have not already completed the FAFSA, do so before applying for scholarships. A step-by-step video tutorial for filling out the FAFSA is available on the AC YouTube channel. Once you have completed the FAFSA, proceed to the scholarship application link on the right. The Scholarship Opportunities page lists available scholarships and deadlines. To create your account and fill out the general application, click Sign Up in the top right-hand corner. Creating the account and filling out the general application will match you up automatically with scholarships that you could qualify for. You must use your AC student email to create your account. Enter your student email and create a password. Once you have received a confirmation email, you can sign in. If you don't know your student email, refer to the How Do I Set Up an Account question on the Frequently Asked Questions page, or contact our IT department at helpdesk.angelina.edu. When you confirm your email, you can sign in and fill out the general application. Answer every question that applies to you. If a question does not apply to you, then you can type Not Applicable or 0 if the question requires a number. You'll need to upload some documentation, such as high school transcripts and SAT or ACT scores. You can click Save and keep editing at the bottom to save your application so you can return to it later if you need to. But when you have filled out the entire application, click Finish and Submit, and you'll receive an email that lets you know your next steps. You can also sign into the dashboard at any time after your application is finished to see scholarships you've qualified for and then provide any additional information that's requested of you. Thank you for watching. We hope this was helpful, but if you have any further questions, please feel free to contact our scholarship coordinator or come by and see us at Roadrunner Central in the Student Center. Good luck, and we hope to see you soon.